In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Uber Eats promo code error. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble using a certain promo code that you've acquired for Uber Eats, I'm gonna teach you some methods that you can follow to help you fix this issue. So, when you open Uber Eats, proceed to your cart after you add everything that you want to order, tap View Cart, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the option to include a gift code. So as you can see, by scrolling down to the bottom in checkout, you will see this icon over here telling you whether or not a promotion is available. Usually these promotions are something else that you can use alongside promo codes. So if you are getting the error on the title of this video, you are probably entering a promo code here, and this is giving you an error telling you that it's unavailable or you weren't able to claim it. If you are getting this error, like I said in the beginning, there are various reasons on why it might be happening. So the most obvious one is to double check the expiration date and the eligibility of this promo code. Some promo codes might have already expired, so it's important that you are aware of the period in which you can use the promo code that you are trying to use, and also see if it is eligible. For example, some promo codes will only work on certain stores or certain items. So if necessary, go back to your cart, remove some items, or change the stores that you are trying to order delivery in. Besides these steps that you can take, something else that you might want to consider outside of Uber Eats is to actually try updating the app. By having the latest version of Uber Eats, a lot of problems, including promo code errors, are going to fix themselves. So open the Play Store or the App Store, and in here make sure that there are no pending updates for the app. You can also enable auto update to make sure. Next things to check are maybe trying re-logging into your Uber account, and lastly, if you go back to the home screen, access the settings, and go into the settings for Uber Eats, you will be able to clear the cache or data of the app. This will allow it to do a quick restart, and then you can try inputting the promo code again after you go through the process of re-logging or reinstalling the app. But as long as you clear the data, make sure that the app is up to date, and you double check the eligibility of the promo code, you will be able to use it as long as you meet all of those criteria. If you still cannot use it and you are aware that it should be working, unfortunately, there's nothing that you can do on your end. Sometimes promo codes will end abruptly and there is no warning or maybe a date in which they are going to be eligible in, so sometimes you just have to look for another one. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Uber Eats promo code error. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.